Patience to install. Insert the pasted nail piece into our nail clippers, control the length you need, and press it lightly. The knife edge is perpendicular to the square nail. The knife edge is to the left as a round nail, and the knife is to the right as a French nail. High-quality materials. Acrylic nail clippers are made of plastic and stainless steel, strong and durable, and can be used for a long time. You will receive an acrylic nail clipper with Cuticle Pusher Scaper Peeler for nail salons, nail shops or personal DIY nail art supplies. Avoid splashes. The cap on the clippers is a great way to prevent splashes of clipped nails, keeping you safe and tidy. Multi-purpose nail clippers. These nail clippers are designed for daily nail art practice. The nail clipper comes with a carefully designed gadget that lets you easily judge nail length and helps you cut your nails to the desired length and shape. Widely used. The nail clipper is very easy to use with 3 cutting angles. Round cut means holding cutter at a 45 degrees angle with body of cutter toward palm of our hand. Straight cut means holding cutter straight up and down, press handle to cut tip. Well cut means holding edge cutter at 135 degrees angle. Meet all your needs. Top reviews from the United States. Good cutter, but only if you have box-shaped nails or tips. It was very simple to put together, all pieces are simple to use. But it's hard to use the cutter if the shape is different from squared. Cut before shaping.